Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing recognizable content. Pick a consistent avatar and outfit so viewers remember you. Record 2 to 3 short gameplay clips of 15 to 60 seconds that show fun interactions or tips. Once done, trim and add captions plus a simple logo so each clip looks branded. Make sure clips are vertical or square for social apps and export at high quality. This fast foundation gets you ready to publish everywhere without needing a YouTube channel. You now distribute content across short-form platforms to reach players fast. Upload the edited clips to TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Spotlight using 3 focused hashtags: the game name, your content type, and a niche tag to target viewers. Once live, engage immediately, reply to comments, pin one helpful reply, and share to stories. This interaction boosts visibility because algorithms favor early engagement. Make sure to vary captions slightly so posts don't look identical across platforms. You finish by measuring and iterating. Monitor views, saves, and follows for each clip to learn what works. Once consistent growth appears, monetize with small services, avatar tips, custom edits, or commissions via direct message or a link in bio. If reach stalls, troubleshoot quickly. Test a new thumbnail, shorten the clip to 15 seconds, or rotate hashtags and posting times. Keep experimenting. Consistent tweaks are why creators scale without a YouTube channel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.